States of matter. Everything that exists in our world is made up of something called matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. There are 3 different forms or states of matter. The table is an example of a solid. The water is liquid, and the steam rising from the hot coffee is an example of a gas. All matter, whether solid, liquid or gas, are made up of tiny particles that we call atoms. When determining the state of matter of something, we can look at 3 main things: its shape, its volume, and its mass. When examining its shape, we can ask ourselves, does it have a fixed shape? This means that an object will retain its shape and it won't change its shape to fill a container. When examining its volume, we are looking at how much space it may take up. And when looking at its mass, we are examining how much matter or substance something has. Books, toys, and fruit are all examples of solids. Solid matter have the following properties. Solid matter has a fixed shape and it is rigid. This is because the atoms that make up the solid matter are tightly packed together. A solid's shape, mass, or volume will change only if external force is applied. Like in this example, the piggy bank is smashed into pieces, and so its original shape, volume, and mass will be changed. Some examples of liquids are juice, water, and milk. Liquid matter does not have its own shape. Rather, it takes the shape of its container. Atoms in liquid matter are still close together, but flow freely past one another, unlike the atoms in solid matter. Gases are harder to identify because they are often invisible. However, they are still considered as matter because they take up space and definitely have mass. The air you breathe is an example of a gas, and gases take up the entire space of its container. This is because the atoms in gas matter are spread out so far apart that they can move freely in and out of the space it uses. If it is not contained, the gas will continue to move and spread out indefinitely, just like the steam coming from this boiling kettle.
Thanks for watching.